How to receive customer order as an admin. Let's suppose some customer place orders, and as an admin of the store you have to handle it. How you will do it? First you have to go in your dashboards, and inside in your dashboard you have to click on Woocommerce, and inside the Woocommerce you will see orders, and then you have to click on order, then manage all. How? Let's see. Now I am in my dashboard, so inside my dashboard you have to click on order, and when you click on order you will see this thing. In this window the first order is in processing, so it means we don't need any action related to this project. So the second order is on hold, so we have to click on this one. Let's suppose I have clicked on this one. So what will happen? So this project was on hold. You can see you can recalculate your calculation, and you can refund, apply coupons, etc. These are the options in your hand. So you can provide grant access for undownloadable files or product. So you, after this you have to provide access order action. You can do this one: resend new order notification, regenerate download permission. So let's suppose I want to click on email invoice order, then you have to update. So we also have to see this thing. You can see on hold. So if everything is okay from the customer side, so you have to refund. You have this option to select anyone: refund, failed, drop, or completed. So let's suppose I want that this order has been updated. Sorry, this order has been completed. I also want to handle the third order also, so I will make it, sorry, it's this one is the second order. So I have pending payment, so I have to update this. Now you can see that this order is pending payment, and we have applied action for this order which is completed, and this one is in processing. So you can handle the customer order in this way if you are an admin of your websites.